Hey, what's up guys, Steven here and welcome back to another video, and today we are taking a closer look at one of the strongest handheld cordless vacuum cleaners on the market, the eufy H30 HomeVac. And at this point, big thanks to eufy for sending over the H30 and sponsoring this video. So now I would say, let's go and let's check it out. The eufy H30 HomeVac looks like a really premium vacuum cleaner and its price point is really good. It comes with all needed accessories like a charging station that you can also wall mount, a motorized pet brush and a regular extension duct with a brush. It's great that the 2500 mAh battery can be taken out, and with Anker's core battery technology you get 20 minutes of battery life in eco mode and 10 in maximum mode, which is double than most handheld vacuum cleaners. It weighs only 808 grams, but still features 80 AW suction power due to Anker's 3-power system, which is 2 to 4 times more than most of the others. And the 100,000 RPM of the motor are really impressive too. It also features an LED light so you can easily spot the dust even in dark corners. When the transparent 250 ml dustbin is full, you can slide it out and empty it. There's also a filter that you should clean from time to time depending on how much dust you clean. Luckily it's washable and easy to take out. When you wash it, make sure to let it completely dry before using the vacuum again. My personal favorite accessory is the motorized pet brush. I have one dog and 2 cats and their hair is driving me crazy. The motorized pet brush helps to pick up hair from carpets or sofas and makes it much easier to vacuum. found it perfect as a garage cleaner and also for my car to vacuum between the seats and the carpets. For that, the battery life is enough to completely vacuum my car once. As mentioned before, the suction power can be adjusted between Eco and Max whenever you need it. For sure in Eco you have a longer battery life, but the suction power is not that high. Now once the vacuum is empty, you can recharge it in the charging station or by just connecting the cable. The battery, because you can slide it out, can also be easily replaced compared to others. I've used it in my house, which is right now under construction, and even with heavy dust the H30 keeps up. It just needs to be cleaned after very well and the filter should be washed as well. Overall, it's a really great vacuum cleaner and I definitely not regret it. Alright guys, so we're now here at the end of this video and just quickly my final conclusion about the eufy H30 HomeVac. So I have had several handheld vacuum cleaners here to clean my gaming room, to clean the couch. Two of them were also powered by USB, so they had an integrated battery, you could not take it out and you could charge it with USB. And this is the worst thing ever. Now it's nice on the paper, but they were so weak that they are just useless. Now I would really suggest if you buy a handheld vacuum cleaner, then you need to buy a strong one. Otherwise you will maybe use it once, twice in the beginning, but after that it will just be in the drawer because they are simply too weak. Now the eufy H30 HomeVac is the first handheld vacuum cleaner that I've tried out that is really strong. So you have seen it on the carpet, on the couch, it really picks up everything. Also the motorized pet brush is very helpful because I have pets for all the hair. So this is really an alternative to a big vacuum cleaner just to quickly clean the couch or also to clean the car. For that it was really nice in my Tesla. So this gets the job done. But all those very entry-level cheap ones that don't have any suction power, you'll just buy them and keep them in the drawer because they are too weak and you end up going somewhere to clean it with a big vacuum. So if you're looking for a handheld vacuum cleaner that's cordless, that has a lot of power, where you can easily swap the batteries, then the eufy H30 HomeVac is definitely a great option. So make sure to check it out, all the links are down below, you can find the offers there. And yeah, as always guys, big thanks for watching. I'm Steven from Tech Magnet and I'm signing out. Bye.